How to use calendar alarm settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now on Samsung phones, a calendar alarm is the event reminder notification you receive before an event starts. It can alert you in minutes, hours, or days before, make a sound or vibrate, pop up on screen, repeat multiple reminders. It's different from the clock alarm. This is tied to calendar events. So if we go back to your calendar here, and if you tap on one of the events, so say meeting event here that I have at 2 p.m. and then we scroll down in here, you can tap on the event time, and in here you can set a reminder. By default it is set to 10 minutes before. We can choose 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or you can set a custom an alert time. So here you can choose a time, you can choose the alert type such as notifications or email, or you can choose custom as well. Okay, so that is the alert time that you can set prior to the event. If you want, we can also set the default reminder time. So here if I go into the menu and tap on settings, now scroll down and we want to look for default alert times. Here for the event it is set to 1 hour before. You can choose 10 minutes before, time of event, or 1 day before. So here let's say I select 10 minutes before. So if I go back to my calendar and if I add a new event, you can see my default alarm time is 10 minutes before the event. Okay, you can also add in multiple reminders alert as well by selecting multiple items. Okay, so that is setting the default reminders time. You can also change the calendar alarm sound duration as well. So if we go into calendar settings, in here if we go down and tap on alert time, you can choose a strong, which will allow the phone to play a very long notification sound, or you can choose light or medium. For light and medium, you can go into the settings and select alert or silent, choose whether you want to show pop-up or not. You can change the sound of the alert, and you can change the volume for the calendar notification sound. And finally, if you find that the calendar notification alert does not work, you want to check notifications are allowed for calendar. So we can go into apps here and then tap on notifications. So in apps we select calendar first and then tap on notifications. Make sure it is turn on and allow. Make sure each of the categories are not set to silent. If it is set to silent, then you will not hear the alert sound. And in sound, make sure it is not set to silent as well. Make sure you have select a loud ringtone sound. And if you have do not disturb turn on, make sure you turn off do not disturb, or at least add an exception for your calendar app. But if the battery saver is on, it can also cause an issue with your calendar alert. And finally, make sure your app is not restricted. Okay, so if you go into settings and then we go down to apps and tap on calendar, in here tap on battery, and if it is set to restricted, then sometimes you may find that your calendar does not raise the alarm. So set it to unrestricted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.